그냥 그럼?
그냥 그렇지. We're gonna put this tidy up, please. Step on it. I don't know, some fruit. It looks like avocado or something.
No wonder there's so many ants here, right? 그렇게 비싸지도 않아 생각보다. Smoothie bowl $9 each. Very tropical.
나 이거
That's the one,
very
right?
tropical.
Okay.
이거 하나. 이건 cool breakfast 이제 hot breakfast 하나 있어야지. This is hazelnut latte and this is ice americano.
Ice americano as usual.
결정입니다. 커피 어때?
그냥 그럼?
그냥 그렇지.
여자들 인스타그램을 위한 장소야. 예뻐. Good vibe.
This is a granola bowl. Bali. Very Instagrammable. Very refreshing. The big boss
이거 big balls
bread.
bread.
Big boss bread. Hash brown can be like not crispy. Juicy. And it's good at McDonald's. Very good. It's really good. You want to try?
Oh,
Right?
well cooked.
Yeah. Avocado.
Eat it with bread.
What is it?
I don't know, but it tastes nice.
Okay.
Guys, don't walk in Bali. You're gonna melt down. She's dying right now.
어렸을 때 이렇게 되게 많이 한 것 같은데.
I think I did it too.
You don't turn on AC all the time in Malaysia. Yeah, during day you don't turn on. So I think I did this a lot in school, at home.
저기 하나 있네. 여긴 없어. It's a bit shaky because they don't allow to use selfie stick or whatever it is.
And we took 1 hour to reach here, even it's like not very
I am
far.
very upset about it because the driver told us that he need to fuel his car, and why don't you do it before you accept our drive request, right? Very spicy. No, I was thinking like, why they don't give sambal? I was a bit disappointed because I really like Indonesian sambal, but it's actually so spicy that you don't need any sambal. Very small.
Yeah.
They didn't cut it for you.
Yeah? Why they don't cut it for me?
But I think it started raining.
Few drops, I can feel it. Yeah.
See, people are moving.
They shifted us indoor. Not really indoor, but there's shelter here. Yeah, the rain is getting heavier. 어떡하지? Because of
the wind was so strong. We were all wet. So we asked to shift to another seat. We only planned for beach club for a day, but we decided to go for another one because we enjoyed today so much. We're only halfway to the minimum spending, so we're gonna order more food and drinks right now. I was a little worried about like ordering drinks just now because people who sit here, they order the drink from here and the server will walk all the way to here with an umbrella on it. But I think I'm fine because it's just right over here. I can just pick it up by myself. At least it won't be mixed with rainwater. What ice cream do you have today at sorbet? They wrap it like this. It looks like wrap. Ice cream! We got a Grab and we decided to just go.
Oh, we got the refund.
Yeah, because we couldn't use the sunbed because of the rain, right? So we got a refund. We had a minimum spend, but we haven't reached the minimum spend. Yeah, so we just got a refund of the balance.
Yes, and we can use it on Monday to another beach day bed.
That's the end of our day. I'll see you on the next video. See you!
Bye. Still waiting, Grab it takes forever. Right? No traffic. It doesn't move.
It's,
I'm just thinking if I should cancel and call new one or not.
it's always like this.
But this guy's not moving.